Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. The weather's really nice out. So I probably should have put in my stories when I do these live unboxings and unbagging, so that more of you know, and it's not so last minute. But yeah, so I got my order from H&M, and I don't know about you guys, but obviously it's taking a really long time for things to come. So I ordered this dress I want to say about 3 weeks ago. It's been quite a while since I ordered it, and it was one of those popular blogger dresses, and it was on like all the YouTube channels and all over Instagram. So yeah, so it finally arrived, and I just wanted to bag it and show it to you guys. So it was this white eyelet dress. It's really beautiful, actually. It's like that, and it has like really cute little sleeves on it, and at first when I saw it, I thought it didn't have anything underneath, but it looks like it does have a little slip underneath it as well. So yeah, it's really pretty, actually. It's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. It was more of the higher price point. It was like $99.90, and then I got a discount. I think I used a 20% discount on it. So the size that I did order was a size small. So I will try it on, and I will do a YouTube video on it so you guys can see how it fits, and see how I styled it, and I'll do like a rate and review on it, or like a first impressions YouTube video. So yeah, if you guys want to order it. I know that the white had sold out. I'm not sure if it's back in stock now, but they reordered it in a black and in a peach, and it's definitely like a really pretty dress. I think it's going to be like something that would really stand out when you wear it. So I don't know if you guys have any questions about it. If you have any questions, just shoot them out and I'll answer them for you. That's kind of the purpose of doing a live unbagging, so that if you guys have any questions, if you guys do want to order it. But yeah, so if you're not an H&M member, you can get 10% off if you sign up, and then it generally gives out rewards. They are doing 20% off actually this weekend, so if you are wanting to order this dress, you can save 20%. So yeah, it's really pretty, guys. I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a nice summer dress to wear. And like I said, it does come in a peach and it does come in a black. Personally, I think I would have rather have gotten the black. I'm not big on white dresses because I find that when you put it away and you don't wear it, white tends to change color over time. So yeah, anyway, so I just wanted to share this live unbagging with you guys. I will do a YouTube video on the dress, and then I have another H&M order coming in, so check that one out. And then actually I have 2 H&M orders that are coming, so yeah, if you guys get a chance, check those out. So anyway, bye. Hope you guys had a nice long weekend. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you the dress on, and yeah, I think it's really pretty. I would definitely recommend this dress if you're thinking about getting it. It just really stands out. It's very comfortable, so if you wanted to go out for a dinner or something like that, I would say that this dress is definitely something that would be comfortable to wear. And it's also airy because it's got so many holes in it, so it would keep you cool, nice and cool as well. So yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this dress, to be honest, other than the price. I mean, it's H&M, so it would be nice if it was cheaper. It's got some kind of ruching and elastic on the sleeves, so kind of holds them in place. It is pretty snug. I'm wearing a size small, so I would definitely say stick to your size. I wouldn't recommend sizing up or sizing down unless it's just something you want to do. I would say stay true to your size, but yeah, I think it's really pretty. I would definitely recommend it. It's got like a nice little high neck. It's only the buttons, actually, I would say. They're so hard to do, and I wasn't able, I don't think you can really see, but I wasn't able to do up all the buttons in the back. They're a little bit hard to do, so yeah, I would definitely recommend this dress. Super cute.